Hello all. Sorry about the glare, but there's not much I can do about it. That's a solid piece of plastic on there. I'll pull that out of there in just a few minutes. But I wanted to do a little review on a new book and then tell you that I want to do a few videos and play with this book. I've been wanting to do some more folded things, and this looked like a fun project. It's got some interesting paper in here to do the project with. I believe. Okay, to get the paper out, I'm going to have to, I guess, somehow figure out how to break this seal. Maybe I have to cut it. Guess I should have done that ahead of time, but sorry about that. I'll try to edit out most of that. I should have gone ahead and cut it before I got on here, but I kind of want to leave this attached to the book, and it does allow you to do that if you cut along the line that's right here on the side. So by leaving it attached, I can leave these papers attached to the book. But I just wanted to show you that they are really cool, and you can paint them or color them and then do your folding, which I thought would be very interesting. It's not something I don't color all the time, but I thought it would be fun to do for this project. I also have some plain origami paper that I'll probably practice with. But the little container thing actually holds your papers right there. And then it's got, it's called Color Gami, 100 sheets of practice paper and 20 origami projects to color. Let me see who it's by. Thunder Bay Press, San Diego, California. So now some of these designs are not something I'll use a lot, like the little box. And I actually have done a box in the past. But when I saw this book, one of the reasons I really wanted to get it was there's a butterfly in here. And then there is a dragonfly. And see the dragonfly? And between the butterfly and the dragonfly, I definitely want to do these projects. I really like how this book's laid out. It maybe takes up a lot of book space, and there's only 20 designs, but each step is very definitely drawn out. I doubt you can see this, but there's very definite little lines in here and little arrows. So the book has got lots of step-by-step instructions in it. I do plan on trying to do videos on some different things that we could fold. I think the dragonflies and the butterflies would be fun little additions to paper clips and things like that in our journals. I'm not really likely to make a snail, but there's several things in here. The whale is really cute. Oh, this owl is also beautiful, and so is the crane. And I have done the crane before, but I thought it would be fun. There's a little tiny envelope. There's lots of fun designs, and the papers are gorgeous. They're lightweight origami weight papers, which, let me get it out again, is pretty thin, which is expected. So I think this is going to be a fun book to play with. I do want to do, like I said, some individual videos based on this book, and I'm going to tip this and see if that will make the glare go away. I do want to do that, and I hope you watch for those videos in the future. Down below in the description box, there is an Amazon affiliate link where you can see more about this book. I just wanted you to be able to find it. And watch for some more videos. And guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.